All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me again, and we have some update on Andre Gray. Now, Andre Gray, a former player of Watford and also Queen's Park Rangers, numerous Reggae Boy as well, striker, has made a move to a Greek club, one of the first Reggae Boy player to play at the top tier league in the Greek division. That's huge. That's huge, actually. Guys, I'm going to give you some information in regards to his transfer. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you guys also hit that subscribe button as well. We really like that like button being hit. Just smash all over the place. But anyways, let's get to the details. I won't waste any of your time. You know, time is quite precious, so it makes no sense waste it. Now, let's get to the details, people. Let me move this banner out of the way. I don't want that to bug you guys. Before I do that, guys, this is our social. You can go and follow us on our socials. You can go and follow us on our socials at Twitter at MG Sports Media, on Instagram, MG Sports_media. Go over there, people, follow us, give us some support, people. Just as you're supporting us on the YouTube channel, we'd really appreciate the support if you do have platforms like those. Blessings and most definitely respect. So, good morning again. If I didn't say that, I actually remember. No, I didn't actually say that. But anyways, let's get to it, people. So, let me see if I can make this just a little bit bigger so you guys can see it. But hopefully, you guys are seeing it proper now. All right, so Andre Gray has joined Greek side Aris. The 31-year-old will be playing in the Greek Super League this season. He scored 10 goals on loan for QPR last season. Remember that he wasn't playing, guaranteed I wasn't going to get any game time at Watford last season. So they sent him out on loan, and he made that big move. As you can see, the jersey fits him well. Maybe because we're used to him in the yellow and black. So I do think that's significant. No, this is some details that I released on the transfer of Andre Gray. So here we go. Reggae Boy striker Andre Gray, an ex-Watford forward, which last season played for QPR, joins Greek club Aris Thessaloniki. The player will sign a 2-year plus 1 extra year contract with the Greek club. So that will take him maybe about 34, 35. I think about 31 now. But in that region, people. In that region. And he gets the number 9 jersey. Quite nice. Yes, that's nice. Yeah. As you can see. So let me show you some aspects of his contract. Let me give you some details about his contract that he signed. So according to Leonas Costas, the player will be on at 900,000 euro per year and will replace former Fulham ace Abubakar Kamara. Medical is already completed, people. So let me show you some of the pictures from his medical. So yeah, so these are the pictures from his medical, courtesy of, let me see if I can find persons. Georgios Sideridis. Wow, what a name. RJ Gray is currently undergoing his medical. So these are the pictures from his medical. As you know, I'm not sure that's even testing some respiratory, I don't know, cardio, I assume. And then no, this is most leg pull or something of that sort. Anyways, leg straightening. I don't know. Anyways, I'm not a physio. That's not my department. It's definitely not my department, people. Let's have a look more on some aspects of this contract. So, at a point, QPR was interested in Andre Gray. This is him signing the contract. QPR was actually interested in Andre Gray. Reading was also interested in Andre. QPR wanted to resign him, as she said, gave him a new contract. Reading was also interested in Andre Gray. I think it's Queens. Preston North End was also interested, and who else? Someone else was interested. Let me see if I can find. I do think that there was someone else who was interested in acquiring his signature. Let me see. So it's Reading. Oh, Reading and QPR. Okay. So it's Reading and QPR. I did heard some information in regards to Preston North End, but that's lovely to see. So this is the official announcement by Aris. That's a quite creative, actually. Welcome to Aris FC, Andre Gray. That's quite creative. So this definitely, people, could be one of his last contract, last major contract. So I'm very much happy for him. Open the door to seeing more players possible from the championship move, making that move. Hopefully, he would provide what they need, which is goals. Now, I don't really know much about how Aris plays. So if you're an Aris fan, you can come in the comment section, give me some information on how the team plays. But as it stands, I can tell you guys on how Andre Gray plays. For sure, he can play on either side of the right or left or center forward position, wide forward, either side, as I said. And he is guaranteed goals, aerial goals, left foot, right foot. He's a physical specimen. He's not tall, but in regards to handling the ball, keeping the possession of the ball, he's quite good at that. That's one of his main attributes. Holding possession, holding the ball. That's one of his main attributes. And the wingers, if you have pacey wingers, they will definitely love how he plays, because he will release them inside of the channel in behind defense, and they will guarantee goals from that once they can finish, actually. Once they can finish. But he's also the type of number 9 that will drop central and support the midfielders and then get back inside of the 18-yard box. He do have that physical strength and that fitness level to do so. That's how he plays on a natural aspect. But nevertheless, inside of the box is quite dangerous. He's a poacher. He will latch on to those scrappy moments, those last-ditch chances. He will be there for those. That is Andre Gray, and that's exactly what you should expect, and that is what you're going to be getting. That's what you're going to be getting. But anyways, hopefully, guys, this video would have given you some form of information in regards to his transfer and regards to the player that he is. So I hope that you guys would have learned something. And if I missed anything, comment to the comment section, people. Give me a little bit more information in where I would fall short, and I'll definitely get some relay that information once more again whenever I do another Andre Gray content. But definitely, this is now another league that I have to keep my eyes on to see what Andre Gray is doing. So there's a few more transfers going around with other Reggae Boyz as it stands. Ravel Morrison is now pending a move. I'm not sure where he's going. I do hope that it will be a Premier League club, a top-tier Premier League club, but strong possibility it might be another championship club. We all know the situation with what happened at Derby County. But anyways, this is about Andre Gray. Congratulations, Andre Gray, on your move. This could be the last one, as you know, 3-year contract, maybe 4 year. So this might take you into the final stages of your career, in which you can look back and say, I did have a proper career. Not the elite, but a proper career. Not everyone will be at that Messi Ronaldo. No. That's about 0.something%. That's about 0.something%. But most definitely, big up, people. Congratulations again, Andre Gray. Well done on your move. And see you guys again. Until next time. Military Guna TV, MG Sports TV. We are out.